YouTube, we're going to do Nilufer Yana try. F sharp minor 7, using my neck pickup, and then it goes to D major 7. So both you can play both chords at the 2nd fret. It's just the minor 7 is just a bar across the 2nd fret, and then you could also play it like this. This is how a lot of people would play. But what you're doing here is you're muting the A string. Okay, you don't want to play the A string if you play it this way. So you're kind of barring top 4 strings, and then you hit the bass, and then this finger also mutes the A. And then the other way to play it would be like this, where you bar the 2nd fret, and then you place your ring finger on the A string at 2 frets above at the 4. And then the D major 7, you can play it barring the top 3 strings, and then use your open D for the root. No, there's your root. Another way to play that would be the 5th fret like this. Whenever you're dealing with like jazzy kind of R&B music, you're usually talking minor and major 7s instead of just regular minor or major. The easiest way to play that one is like this. It's kind of like you're just playing the 4 strings, D through high E. And then, that little bass line, we can play it on the E and also the A string. On the E, it's 2, 4, 5. Then we jump to 7 on the A string. 7, 4. Then we go 2, and then we play open back to 2. Altogether, it's. And then there's also another riff. So we're just playing, this is the F sharp. We're starting on F sharp. It's the octave of this one. So it's at the 4th fret. And then we go to 7. And then we go on the G string, we go 4, 6, 4. So all together is. Okay, thanks for that request. Have fun playing it. Bye-bye.